Afternoon, everybody. I know I just brought this van in 2 days ago now, but it seems every single time I walk around, I always find new spots I need to do. Example here. Yeah, here we had a nice dent in the back there, so filled that in and just need to touch up a little bit more. Here we go, got these little spots here, gonna touch that up a bit. Just sanding this here right now.
We need a miracle. Watch over there, it disappears. We lose it all and shed no tears. It's just a dream that turns into nightmare. The future is ours, we run out of time. It's just a dream that turns into nightmare. We need a miracle.
Oh yeah, we've already wet sanded all the van with 180 grit sandpaper. Now we're going all around with 220. So yeah, wet sanding of course. So yeah, going through with the 180. That's how we keep finding all little flaws that I missed in the first time. But we're gonna get there eventually, bit by bit. Mark my words. So anyhow, enough chitty chat. Time to wet sand with the 220. Okay, like I said, every single time I do a lap around the vehicle, it seems I find new flaws, like or stuff that I forgot. There you go. See that? Just gotta try to sand that smooth. Might have to add some more Bondo. If we do, we do. I got my name on this project, so try to do as good as I can. So, not gonna lie, if it was a regular van, I probably would not be putting as much effort as I would in this thing, but it's a pretty cool rig. So anyhow, I'll keep you guys posted. Cheers, my friends. Okay, well, probably can't really see much, but we got her all. Hold that up again. Got her all sanded now. Wish you could feel that. Super smooth. Yeah, I lifted the top here just so we can get better paint or primer on the top. So yeah, everything here all smooth. So yeah, next step is time to wash this puppy. Gonna wash it 2-3 times or so, make sure she's good to go, and then start masking everything up. And by tomorrow morning, hopefully all the prep is done tonight, and tomorrow morning primer will be on. So stay tuned, my friends. That's the next step. Cheers. Morning, everybody. As you can see, I just finally finished taping everything up. Hopefully it's all good enough. Find these, I don't know if the lights work pretty good for lighting up the side of the van. Got one on that side, and I got one on this side. There you go. Got a low power, high power, and then red strobe in case I fall and need some help or something. So Yeah, next step is I'm gonna quickly sweep this here dirty floor, then wash the van with a wax and grease remover, and then we should be ready for some primer. Finally, trust me, it took me a long time to master this up. Done a few vehicles, did the Chevelle, did my F-150, a few bikes. Bike was just all taken apart, so didn't need any masking there. Chevelle, I took everything out, so didn't need any masking there. Truck, not much there. This is the most masking I've had to done. Just the top alone took me like an hour and a half, so hour and a half to 2 hours, and then all around I've been messing around all night last night and half the afternoon with that. So anyhow, time to finally get some primer on shortly. So talk to you in a bit. Cheers. Good evening, everybody. It's your boy All Season back at you again. And I gotta lie, don't crazily feel like camping tonight, but it is the weekend, and it actually is. Here's the calendar right there. So, yeah, oh yeah, today we are Saturday, 26th of October, less than a week before Halloween. And anyhow, yeah, like I was saying, this is actually the 26th weekend that I've gone camping in a row. So, we haven't done the complete year yet, but we will, mark my word. And yeah, I'm not crazy psyched for going camping tonight, but this little fella is, aren't you, Gizmo? He's just been bugging and bugging, so I think it's time to grab this leash and grab a coffee. Even though there you go, now you can see me. Oh, morning, everybody. Alright, it's dead. Yeah, it's 7:30 in the morning. I could sleep in for another half hour or hour or so, but little teddy bear here, he's just been aching to get out, it sounds like. Yeah, he's just been pestering, so yeah, I guess we'll get up and see what's on the morning agenda. Alright, everybody. Here we are. See where I parked right there. Time to take this little guy for his little walk, I guess. Definitely not a big fan of sleeping in on Sunday mornings, I guess. So, yeah, by the time we got there last night, it was 12:30, 1-ish or so. So, like I say, these weekend camping trips aren't going to get super early now anymore. Probably 1 or 2 still. I'd like to get somewhere at some point, have a fire, but it's getting chilly to hang outside. So, yeah, it's walking this old teddy bear, and the plan was to try to cut some wood this morning on the way out and go trail riding a bit, but it's kind of rainy, and since I converted to the electric cordless chainsaw, that and rain probably not the best idea. So yeah, just gonna walk this little guy and hop back in the truck and head back home and do some projects around the house, I guess. So yeah, until next time, I hope you guys had a great time. I know this is a short one, so talk to you later. Cheers. Here we are, just the morning drive back home. See old teddy bear, he is just smoking the rat right now. Yeah, gonna get back home. I know not much footage for this weekend trip. Maybe I'll combine it with another one or something. I'll see, I don't know. Just one of those quick and dirty camping videos. I was hoping to do some trail riding this morning and cut up a bit of firewood, but like you see, this weather is a little bit depressing. The house will be nice and warm instead. So yeah, we go hang out in there, have a nice breakfast, and talk to you later. Enjoy the view.